Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, my voice is clear. Okay. All right. ఉందా పవన్ ఉందా Just a minute, guys. ఏదో చూపిస్తున్నారు. Yesterday we discussed software development life cycle. The first concept in manual testing, software development life cycle. The software development life cycle explain clearly how to develop the application and how to test the application and how to release the application. There are a different types is there in software development life cycle: initial phase, analysis phase, designing phase, coding phase, and testing phase, and delivery and maintenance phase. There are eight different types is there: initial phase, analysis phase, designing phase, coding phase, testing phase. And initial phase is completed. Who will be there in this initial phase? The BA is there. The business analyst gather the requirement from the customer. Once the business analyst gather the requirement from the customer, he will store all the requirements inside of one document, that is URS document. That is URS document. See, different company people, they call different names. Okay, for example, my company people, they call URS, and some company people, they call FRS, BRS, BDD, and URS and BD. Depends on the company. Okay, see, in this initial phase, BA is there. The business analyst gather the requirement from the customer. Who is the customer here? The Citibank is the customer. The business analyst gather the requirement from Citibank. Once got the requirement, he will store these 100 requirements inside of the URS folder. Okay, see, this is the initial phase, and after that the next phase, analysis phase. In this analysis phase, system analyst is there. What kind of job of the system analyst? The PA sending this URS folder to next level. What is the next level? Analysis phase. In this analysis phase, system analyst team is there. They will verify the URS folder. How many requirements is there in this URS folder? The system analyst team, they will verify. In this URS folder, 100 requirements is there. Okay, the system analyst team, they will analyze these 100 requirements we are able to develop or not. And after that, the system analyst team, they will divide these 100 requirement two parts, and high level and low level. Okay, high level and low level. And after that, the system analyst team, they will analyze the customer is provide 100 requirements. The customer is provide 100 requirement. For this 100 requirement, the client provided 40 crores. Within 40 crores, we are able to develop this application or not. The system analyst team, they will analyze. And after that, our project deadline, within 3 years, we are able to deliver the application to customer. Within 3 years, we are able to deliver the application to customer. Whole application we are able to deliver within 3 years. See, in this time, the system analyst team, they will analyze we are able to deliver within the time. We are able to deliver the whole application within the time or not. They will analyze. And after that, the customer is provide 100 requirement. If you want to deliver this 100 requirement to customer, we are able to deliver within 3 years. If I want to develop this application within 3 years, how many human resource is required? They will analyze. They will analyze. For example, if you want to develop this application, we need 20 resource, and out of 20, 15 people is the development department, 5 people is the testing department. Okay, see, everything is fine as per company level. Everything is fine as per our expected. We are able to develop the application within the time, within the money, within the particular resource. Everything is fine. Then immediately the system analyst team, they will create one folder. That is we call SRS folder. SRS folder is nothing but system requirement specification. These 100 requirement, the system analyst team, they will store inside of the SRS folder, inside of the SRS folder. And after that, the next phase, designing phase. Actually, these are all we discussed yesterday. That's why I said little bit speed. Designing phase. Who will be there in this designing phase? In this designing phase, chief architect is there. Chief architect is there. The chief architect team, they will open the SRS folder. The chief architect team, they will open the SRS folder, and they will divide high level requirements, low level requirements. See, you guys are observed in this high level requirements only able to involve chief architect team. Coming to the low level requirements, the team members, the project people, project manager and delivery department, okay, able to involve in this low level. Okay, see, the chief architect team, they will divide two parts based on the customer requirement. The chief architect team, they will design the application. They will design the application. Once designing is completed, the chief architect team, they will sending to the customer. They will sending to the customer. Why? Because I am a chief architect team. I am a chief architect team. I will explain to the customer. I will explain to the customer, Mr. Customer, based on your expectation, we design this application. Please verify once. The customer, he will verify the application, complete designing part. Everything is fine. Everything is there as per our customer expected. Everything is there as per our customer expected. Then immediately the customer will provide the feedback to company people. What is that feedback? You guys are proceed to next step. This is one type of customer. The customers also humans. So different types of customers is there. See, type 2 customer in initial phase, the customer is provide 100 requirement, but in initial phase, the Citibank customer is forget the one requirement, that is grocery requirement. See, in this middle of the process, the customer informed to the company people in initial phase, I forgot one requirement, that is my fault. It is possible to add the new requirement or not. The customer informed to the company people. The company people, the chief architect team, they will explain clearly. They will explain clearly if we want to add any new requirement in this process, we are able to add only low level requirement. High level, we are unable to add. They will explain clearly to customer. The grocery is the low level. Okay, it is possible to add the new requirement in middle of the process. Once add the new requirement in middle of the process, the chief architect team sending the application to customer. The second time, the customer is focused on the only on new requirement. Why? Because already the customer validate remaining existing requirements. The second time, the customer only able to validate the new requirement. Everything is there as per our customer requirement. Then immediately the customer provides some wishes to company people. At the same time, you guys are proceed to next step. Okay, you guys are proceed to next step. See, and once complete the designing part, all designing related, the chief architect team, they will store inside of the one folder, that is we call TDD folder. Okay, TDD folder. What is the TDD? Yes, technical design document. They will store all the designing related information inside of the TDD folder. And after that, the chief architect team, they will sending the TDD folder to next level. The next level is the coding phase. In this coding phase, who will be there? In this coding phase, developers or programmers is there. The developers or programmers both are same. Okay, what kind of job of the developers? They will open the TDD folder. The developer open the TDD folder. In this TDD folder, how many requirements is there and how many requirements is the complexity requirements is there? They will analyze. And after that, immediately the dev team, they will conduct the meeting. In this meeting, the first main agenda for this application, which language we are able to use backend, they will decide in this meeting. And after that, they will choose the Java language. Based on the Java language, they develop the application. Once development is completed, all the code related information they will store inside of one folder that is called SCD folder. SCD is nothing but source code document. Source code document. Okay, they will store all the code related information inside of the SCD folder. You guys are observe clearly here in this initial phase. In this initial phase, URS folder is there. Once complete the initial phase, the URS folder sending to the next phase, analysis phase. In this analysis phase is completed, they will create one folder, SRS folder, they will sending to the next phase. After the designing phase, they will create one folder, TDD folder. Once designing is completed, they will sending to the next phase. Okay, coding phase. Once coding is completed, all the code related information they will store inside of the SCD folder. The dev team, those people are unable to send the SCD folder to testing department. This is we discussed yesterday. Is it clear? This is we discussed yesterday. The next one, testing phase. The next one, testing phase. This is our phase. Okay. You guys are concentrate on here. We are all testers. How to do the testing? If you want to do the testing, we need some environment. We need some environment. Some people they call prerequisites. Some people they call prerequisites. If I want to do the testing, actually I don't know how to do the testing. I am a fresher. Just I enter the company. I sit on the front of the system. Now I will start the testing. How I can start the testing? If I want to start the testing, I need some environment. The first environment is the system. The second one is the setup. Why setup? If I want to communicate the application, some setup is required. Who will provide this setup? The project people. The project people. The client will provide the setup. The client will provide the setup. The next one, the company people, step number 3. The company people provide one requirement document. The company people provide one requirement document. Our customer is the Primus Bank. Our customer is the Primus Bank. This is the requirement. Our customer is the Primus Bank. And after that, as a tester, we need to read carefully requirement document. Okay. Once we got the requirement, as a tester, we need to read carefully requirement document. We need to read carefully requirement document. See, you guys are try to understand the requirement. Try to understand the requirement. What is the exact customer requirement? You guys are need to understand. Once you guys are able to understand the requirement, you need to create the test planning. In this test planning, you need to create the scenarios. You guys are able to understand the requirement document. we need to create the test planning. In this test planning, we need to create scenarios. Okay, we need to create scenarios. Once you guys are create the scenarios, we need to get the test case template from the project. The project people will provide the test case template. Test case template. Okay, yeah. Based on the template, based on the template, the tester able to write the test cases. The tester able to write the test cases. Based on the template, the testers able to write the. Swati, my voice is clear or not? Remaining guys, online guys, please respond. Anybody? Online guys, voice is clear or not? Yeah. All right. Swati, please check your headphones or microphones. You guys are able to check, please. I think this is not my end. This is your end. Okay. Yeah. We need to create the test case. We need, based on the template, the tester able to write the test cases. Once you guys are create the test case document, this document you need to execute on your application. Once you guys are execute the application, how many test cases are passed, how many test cases are failed, as a tester we need to analyze. As a tester we need to analyze. For example, total we have a 20 test cases. Out of 20 test cases, 15 test cases are passed, 5 fail. See, about this failed test case, how you guys are informed to the dev team. How you guys are informed to the dev team. And once you guys are informed to the dev team, every 1 hour you need to verify your defect status. Every 1 hour we need to verify your defect status. This is the process. This is the process. If you want to do the testing, this is the process. Okay. See, out of 11, first I have a system. I have a setup and I have a requirement. I have a template. I have a template. Okay. See, I have a system. I have a setup. I have a requirement. I have a template. 4 things is ready. Okay. See, based on the requirement document, I need to create the scenarios. Based on the scenarios, I need to create the test cases in this template. Okay. See, if you want to write the test cases, first of all, as a tester, we need to understand the requirement. You guys are able to understand the requirement. It is possible to write the test cases. You are unable to understand the requirement. You are unable to write the test cases. So first of all, as a tester, once we got the requirement, you need to read carefully the requirement document. We need to read carefully the requirement document. See, what is the requirement document? New guys, you guys are read carefully first. Okay. See guys, this is which application? Primus Bank application. Okay. Primus Bank application. Okay, clear? Yeah. Step number 2. What is the, how many versions is there here? Total 2 versions is there. Total Two versions is there. This is the Primus Bank application. Second step, total two versions is there. See, first of all, as a tester, once we got the requirement, we need to understand the requirement. 1.0 version number 1.0 Primus Bank homepage. Primus Bank homepage. Under 1.0, 1.1.0 is there. Okay, this is the overview. This is the overview. What is the overview? You guys are trying to understand. Yeah, one Primus Bank application is there, allows different users such as admin, bank employee, and various customers. Under various customer, individual customer, corporate customer, international customer, able to log in the Primus Bank application or not. This is the requirement. This is the requirement. See, you guys are observe clearly here. 5 people is there here. Total 5 people. One is the admin. Second one is the bank employee. Third one is the various customer. Corporate, individual, and international. Total 5 people. What is the exact requirement here? The Primus Bank application, these 5 people able to log in or not, we need to verify and validate. This is the requirement. We need to verify and validate. See, if I want to write the test case, I need to write admin separate test case, and total 5 test case I am able to write. You have a good knowledge test case authoring. You are able to write total 5 test case within one test case. Okay, when you people are able to understand, when you guys are practicing number of times, you are able to write in different ways the test cases. Okay, see, now I will write the test case. Swati, yeah. See guys, how to write the test cases based on the customer requirement. If you want to write the test cases based on the customer requirement, first of all, we are going to discuss about template. We are going to discuss about template. See guys, this is the template. The company, the project people will provide one template. Okay. See, this is the test case ID. If you want to write the test cases, we are able to write inside of the test case template. Test case ID. The test case ID like a number. In real time, we are able to write TC underscore 01. TC test case number 1. The next one, purpose. Some people they call purpose. Some people they call action. Okay. Some people they call purpose. Some people they call action. Okay. What is the purpose? The purpose will explain clearly which requirement we are able to test. The purpose will explain clearly which requirement we are able to test. I am able to test Primus Bank application homepage. If I want to write a Primus Bank application homepage, if I want to validate the Primus Bank application homepage, verify Primus Bank application homepage, verify Primus Bank application homepage is verify Primus Bank application homepage is properly full stop, comma or full stop. Verify Primus Bank application homepage is properly working or not, is properly verify Primus Bank application homepage is properly working or not. If I want to verify the Primus Bank application homepage, if I want to verify the Primus Bank application homepage, I need to follow some steps. Okay, I need to follow some steps. The purpose will explain clearly. The purpose will explain clearly which requirement you are able to test. I am able to test Primus Bank application homepage. You guys are observed. Under precondition, you need to provide primusbank.com. Under precondition, precondition is nothing but a steps. Precondition is nothing but a steps. What is the step? If you want to click on login button, before click on the login button, something is mandatory. What is that one? Yeah. And after that, username and password. Okay. If you want to click on login button, before click on the login button, username and password is required. These are all we are able to provide under URL. And after that, description. Some people they call test data. Some people they call test data. And what is the description? Description is nothing but explain the description will explain how to do the testing. If I want to verify the Primus Bank application homepage, first of all, the first step, enter valid URL. The second step, click on enter button. Click on enter button. See guys, you guys are observed. If I want to verify the Primus Bank application homepage, if I want to verify the Primus Bank application homepage, the description will explain clearly how to verify. Enter the valid URL, click on enter button, click on enter button. And coming to the expected result, before click on the enter button, before click on the enter button, what is our expected result you need to mention inside of the expected result. Before click on enter button, before doing the testing, what is our customer expected result and our result? You need to mention here. Our expected result system should displaying Primus Bank application home page. You guys are no need to provide displaying or not. You no need to provide under expected result. Why? Because this is expected result. Confirm. We are expecting. Once I click on the login button, I am expecting this result. Okay. This is before doing the testing. We are expecting this result. Before doing the testing, we are expecting this result. The next one, actual result. This is the before doing the testing. After completion of the testing, what is the system response? System response. Our expected result, system response, both are same. The result is pass. Our expected result and actual result before doing the testing, after completion of the testing, both are different. The result is, see, in this time we don't know actual result. So here we need to provide what happened or what is the system response. What is the system response? You guys are observe clearly the expected result and actual result both are same. The result is pass. Both are different. The result is fail. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Shall I repeat again the test case? You guys are able to understand online and offline? You guys are able to understand online and offline? Okay, all right. The second test case number 2. You guys are observe purpose. What is the purpose? Which requirement we are able to test? I need to test admin. I need to test admin. If I want to test the admin, you guys are observe verify Primus Bank application homepage. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Yeah. Admin able to log in the application or not. Admin able to log in the application or not. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Okay. Admin able to log in the application or not. See, allows different users such as admin to log in and access the application for their usage. If I want to validate this one, see here, verify Primus Bank application homepage. Admin able to log in the application or not. This is the purpose. We'll explain which requirement we are able to test. And as usual, you guys are able to provide primusbank.com. Okay, primusbank.com. And coming to the description or test data, if you want to verify the admin able to log in or not? How you guys are able to do the testing? The first step, the first step, enter valid URL. Enter valid URL. The second step, click on enter button. Click on enter button. Once I click on enter button, anything is required after that? Yes. We need the third step, enter valid admin username. The next step, enter valid admin password. The next step, what next? Click on login button. Click on login button. If I want to validate the admin credentials, admin able to log in the application or not, I need to follow. These are all steps. Based on these steps, I am able to validate admin able to log in the application or not. Admin able to log in the application or not. Before click on login button, I am expecting something. Before click on login button or before doing the testing. What is our expected result? Our expected result, system should displaying admin homepage or admin info. Is it clear or not? Once I click on the login button, before doing the testing, I am expecting admin homepage or admin information. This is my expected result. My expected result always customer expected result. My expected result always customer expected result. Okay. And after that, now I want to click on the login button. Once I click on the login button, what is the system response? The expected result and actual result both are same. The test case is pass. The expected result, what I am expecting before doing the testing and after completion of the testing, the expected result and actual result both are different. The test case is this is admin related information. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Online and offline, do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Yeah, all right. The next one. The second one, the third test case, remaining how many people is there? Bank employee and various customers. Okay. You need to write the test case for bank employee TC underscore 03. Tell me guys how to write the test case. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Same like verify Primus Bank application homepage. Yeah, that's it. Bank employee able to log in the application or not. That's it. You guys are able to understand the manual testing. The manual testing it is very easy to communicate. Okay. First of all, as a tester, understanding and analysis is very, very important. Okay. You guys are also, the tester always do the smart work. Okay, so you guys are observe here. This is the admin, this is the bank employee. Okay, the next one, precondition. Here we need to provide bank employee. Bank employee. And next to description, anything is need to change here? Anything is need to change? Yeah, we need to replace the admin here, bank employee. Is it clear? Everyone is clear? Yeah, everyone is clear. And what is the expected result? System should displaying or bank employee information. Yeah. And before click on login button, we are expecting this one. Once I click on the login button, what happened? What is the system response? The expected result and actual result, both are same. The result is pass. Both are different. The result is fail. Is it clear or not? It is clear. Any doubt? Okay. See, test case number 4. Complete 3 users. I will make only one test case. Okay. Bank individual customer, corporate customer, international customer. 3 users is there. I will make only one test case. You guys are observe. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Okay. The various customers able to log in the application or not. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. The various customers able to log in the application or not. Various customers. Who? Must and should you need to mention the names. Individual, corporate, and international. Okay. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. The various customers able to log in the application or not. Individual customer, corporate customer, international customers. Okay. For example, if you want to validate the individual customer, you need to remove the bank employee here. You need to provide individual. Okay. If you want to validate the corporate customer, you need to provide the corporate. If you want to validate the international, you need to provide the international. Okay. And here you guys are observe, enter valid URL, click on enter button. If you want to enter individual customer username, you guys are maintain here individual customer. Okay. If you guys are enter corporate customer, you guys are able to enter corporate customer. If you guys are able to enter international customer, you need to enter here international customer. Okay. Before click on login button, what is our expected result? System should displaying system should displaying particular customer homepage or information. Particular particular customer, I want to enter the individual customer. I am expecting individual customer home page. I enter the international customer. I am also expecting international customer info. Okay, this is expected. And actual result, what happened, what is the system response. The expected result and actual result both are same. The result is, the expected result and actual result both are different. The result is, yeah. Expected means before doing the testing. Actual means after completion of the testing. Expected means what is the customer expected, and actual means after completion of the testing, what is the system response. Is it clear? Okay. The next requirement, this is the 1.1.1. 1.1.0 is completed. Okay. Next one, 1.1.1 prototype. This is the next requirement. This is the next requirement. Yeah, already I discussed, guys. Okay, this one. Yeah, how to write the first test case for this requirement. Yeah, see guys, here, this is the application. Okay, home page, Primus Bank application home page. Now, I need to write the test cases for this application. I need to write the test cases for this application. How I need to write the test cases for this application? See, if you want to write the test cases for this application, you guys are divide the complete application. You guys are need to divide the complete application. The first test case you guys are observe here. Verify Primus Bank application homepage displaying below elements or not. What is the below element? Home, personal banking, corporate banking, international banking, and about us. This is one test case. You guys are observe here the home and personal banking and corporate banking and international banking about us. Text box or text or which type of element we need to verify. This is which type of element we need to verify. See guys, you guys are go to below one table is there. Home, personal banking, corporate banking, these are all buttons. So element to type is button. Element to type is button. If you want to validate these are all elements, which action you need to apply? My question is clear. The element to type is button. Button. If you want to validate these are all elements, home and personal banking and corporate banking, international and about us. If you want to validate this element, which action you need to perform on that element? Huh? Which action? Someone says like correct. Someone says click action. Button. How you guys are able to validate it is working or not? If you want to perform some action, click action. Click action. Okay. You guys are apply the click action. One test case is completed. Verify the Primus Bank application homepage. Displaying means verification. Displaying means verification. Displaying or not. Okay. Verification is completed. The next one, validation. If I want to validate this elements, I need to verify element type. Okay. That is text. I no need to validate. That is link, need to validate. That is text box, need to validate. That is buttons, need to validate. See, link, text box, buttons. Within three, this is the button. This is the button. See, if I want to validate these buttons, I need to perform some action, click action. How you guys are able to validate home button is working or not? You need to apply click. Once you guys are click, it is working. This is navigate to home page. It is not working. That is called a defect. Is it clear or not? Yeah. Now second test case, verify Primus Bank application home page. Displaying below elements is properly working or not. The before test case, first test case, verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying below elements or not. Second test case, displaying below elements is properly working or not. Is it clear? Online? Yes, Pavan. Yeah, Meena, the comment is, while executing the test case, any steps is required in this test case, they will mention in that comment. Okay? Yeah. The third test case, verify Primus Bank application homepage. Yeah, next. Yeah, customer login. Okay. Yes. I said last time. Okay. Yeah, one sentence form is, see, if you want to write a purpose, that purpose everyone able to understand or not. If you want to write a purpose, you are able to understand, someone is unable to understand, that is no use. If you want to write any purpose, everyone, okay, everyone able to understand or not, that is the purpose. Purpose will explain clearly which requirement we are able to test. Okay, yeah, you guys are observed. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying customer login. Under customer login, displaying below elements or not. That is the process. How you guys are able to validate personal and corporate and international? Under customer login. Customer login, what type of element? We don't know. We don't know. Yeah, I will repeat again. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying customer login. Under customer login, displaying below elements or not. This is the third test case. And the fourth test case, before write the fourth test case, I need to verify element to type and go down. See guys, customer login is the text. Customer login is the text. This is not a button. This is not a link. This is not a text box. There is nothing is not there here. Okay. Element type, there is no information here. So this is the text. And coming to the personal and corporate international is the buttons. Which action we need to perform? Click action. Okay, done. Now I will write fourth test case, verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying customer login. Under customer login, below elements is displaying or not. This is first, third one. Fourth one, verify Primus Bank application homepage displaying customer login. Under customer login, below elements is properly working or not. Displaying is completed. Okay. Fourth test case, working or not. Is it clear or not? Okay, done. 4 test cases is completed. The next one, banker login. Banker login. Verify Primus Bank application homepage displaying banker login. Under banker login, displaying below elements or not. See guys, if I want to write this information inside of the purpose, everyone able to understand. This is a plain English. Okay, everyone able to whenever you guys are able to provide any information, that information everyone able to understand or not, you need to verify. Okay, so many people came non-IT background. If you want to use some technical terminology, those people are unable to understand. So maximum in real time, we are able to use plain English or plain text. Okay, the plain English everyone able to understand. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Verifying Primus Bank application homepage. Displaying customer login. Plain English. Under customer login, displaying below elements or not. Verify Primus Bank application homepage. Displaying customer login. Under customer login, below elements is properly working or not. That's it. Is it clear? The next one. Verify Primus Bank application homepage displaying banker login. Under banker login, displaying below elements or not. Verify Primus Bank application homepage displaying customer login. Under customer login, displaying below elements or not. Below elements or not. You guys are mentioned branch name, username, password, login. Okay, below elements. The next one, 6th test case. Verifying Primus Bank application homepage displaying banker login. Listen carefully. Under banker login, branch name text is there or not. Branch name text. Text means within the double quotes, you guys are provide select a branch. Text means not a branch name, guys. Okay. Verify Primus Bank application homepage displaying banker login. Under banker login, branch name text is there or not. You need to put bracket within the double quote. Select a branch. Why? Because if you want to write branch name text is there or not, so many people are able to understand this one, this text. Okay. See, must and should you need to provide a select a branch. The time people are able to understand. Is it clear or not? Yeah. Is it clear or not? The next one. Verify Primus Bank application homepage displaying banker login. Under banker login, branch name drop down is properly working or not. Is it clear? The next one. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying banker login, displaying banker login. Listen, displaying banker login. Once click on the branch name drop down, list of elements it should be displayed or not as per customer requirement. For example, I click on the branch name drop down, customer requirement 10 branch names. Once click on the branch name drop down, here it should be displayed only 8. That is called a defect. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying banker login, under banker login, once click on branch name drop down, list of elements it should be displayed or not as per customer expected. Is it clear? Yeah. The next one. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying banker login, under banker login, we are able to select the expected branch or not. Why we are able to write this test case, I will tell you. I will explain one more time. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying banker login, under banker login, we are able to select the expected branch or not. Okay, why we need to write this test case? For example, if I want to select the Amirpeta branch, it will be reflected here Nanakaram Guda branch. If I want to select the SR Nagar branch, it will be reflect Begumpeta branch. That is called a defect. So that's why we need to write this test case, that purpose. Is it clear or not? Yeah. Next one. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying banker login, under banker login. What next? Username and password is input box or not? Input or edit box or not? What is the input? Yes, we are able to enter the data or not. What is the edit box? Once you guys are enter the data, you are able to remove the data or not. That is the input box and edit box. Next test case. Verify the Primus Bank application homepage, displaying banker login, under banker login. Login is properly working or not. That's it. If you want to write the test cases, for this maximum we are able to write 7 to 8 test case only for banker login. Why we need to write? These are all test cases. We are a testers. We need to provide quality product to the customer. If you guys are miss any test case here, unfortunately, the customer side, the third party testers able to find any defect. Okay, that is escalation. Okay, you are not a good tester. So that's why I'm telling maximum, that is small requirement. You guys are getting small requirement. That requirement you need to do all possible ways. Okay, that requirement you need to do all possible ways. Why? Because maximum you guys are trying to provide the quality product to the customer. If you guys are provide the quality product to the customer, you are a good tester. Is it clear? Yeah. and this is not completed. Okay, see, verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying user information links or not, customer services, internet banking, and privacy terms and condition disclaimer, sitemap. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying user information links or not. Okay, I will verify user information link, which type of element. See guys, these are all user information link. So these are all links. Which action you need to perform? Which action? We need to perform the click action. Okay, yeah. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying user information links is properly working or not. That's it. Finally, one thing is there, news. Verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying news without human effort, verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying news, vertical horizontal scrolling is properly working or not. Vertical horizontal scrolling text, you know guys, vertical horizontal, if you want to drag and drop left and right and top to bottom. Okay, vertical horizontal scrolling is properly working or not. This is the test cases for this application. If you want to write the test cases, total 11-12 test cases you are able to write for this requirement. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Please ask me, guys. Okay, the first test case I will write. TC_05 verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying verify Primus Bank application homepage, displaying below elements or not. What is the below element? The first one is the home. Okay, just I need to copy paste the information. I will copy paste. Okay, clear? Yeah, this is user URL, primusbank.com. And if you want to verify this one, the first one, enter valid URL. The second one, click on enter button. Click on enter button. That's it. Okay, click on enter button. Anything is not required here. And here, system able to displaying what? Yes, system able to display, or system should display displaying below elements. What is that below elements? Yeah, these are all copy paste. Yes. And we don't know actual result. What is the system response and what happened? The expected result and actual result both are same. The result is pass. The expected result and actual result both are different. The result is fail. Is it clear or not? Okay. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Clear? Do you have any doubt? Remaining, I will continue tomorrow. Remaining test case. Okay, guys. You guys, please be attend. If you guys are unable to attend offline session due to some rain issues, okay, you guys are able to attend online. Okay. If you guys are miss the session, little bit confused, you people are unable to understand. And see guys, tomorrow I am able to explain shame what I was explained today, but not this much of. I am unable to spend this much of time. Just briefly, I will explain what I was completed. Okay. See, that's why I'm telling maximum you people are attend the session. If you people are unable to attend, you guys are able to attend online. Okay. Is it clear? Do you have any doubts today session regarding today's session? Any doubt? How to write the test case? What is the test case template? What is the test case ID, purpose, precondition, and description, and expected result and actual result, result comment? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, please tell me, guys. You don't have any doubt? Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Bye. Online guys, do you have any doubts? Please text me here. If you want to talk, I will provide access. ఓన్లీ ఇన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ ఉండవు, కొన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. యాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ రిజల్ట్, యాక్చువల్ రిజల్ట్, రిజల్ట్ ఉంటుంది. ప్రీ కండిషన్ ఆప్షనల్ అని చెప్పాను. ఓకేనా? నోట్స్ రేపు ఇస్తాను. క్లాస్లో చెప్పమన్నా క్లాస్లో చెప్తాను. Yeah, guys, I will provide the notes. Okay. Tomorrow I will provide in Google Classroom, or else I will tell you. Yeah, definitely I will provide Jitendra notes also. I will provide. Okay. You don't worry about that one. I will provide the notes. విన్న వాళ్ళకి ఊరు కొట్టొచ్చు. కొత్త వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు కదా, సో అది ప్రాబ్లం. రేపటి నుంచి మామూలు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఈ రోజు వరకు ఏం చెప్పామో అది చెప్పాం. యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా మంది కొత్త వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, అందుకే 2 times చెప్పాను. అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా లైఫ్ సైకిల్ అయిపోయింది. ఈ టెస్ట్ కేస్ ఆర్డరింగ్ అయిపోయిందంటే ఇది టెస్ట్ కేస్ 5th phase అయిపోతే లాస్ట్ ఫేజ్. ఇంకా 2 days 3 days అంటే టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ ఎవ్రీ ఏరియా